Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys today. I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this really soft and subtle glittery warm eye look. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And if you'd like to be entered for our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below if you live in the US, because our giveaway is US only. So jumping right into it, first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids, and I like to use concealer and then set it with a little bit of translucent powder. And then I'm using two different palettes for today's look. First one is the Violet Voss Coral Crush palette, and I'm going into the shade right here called Lounging, and I'm just grabbing my big fluffy transition color brush and just really applying that into my crease and just adding that wash of color. It is our transition color, so it doesn't have to be too precise. Next, I'm going into my angled brush, and I'm going into this orange shade called Papaya, and I'm just starting to apply a line of definition into my crease. So just literally applying this right smack in the center, and as you can see, I have two small little crease lines below. And when I first started doing my makeup, I used to apply this line way lower, and it gave me way less lid space. So if you do have semi-hooded eyes or hooded eyes, then just try to apply it a little bit higher if you want to follow my technique for this specific look. And then I'm going into this small tapered brush and just going back into our first transition color, going in left and right motions, blending it out. And initially I was going to add more depth than this, but I really liked how soft and subtle this looks. And I love the coral shade of it. It's just really pretty. And then I grabbed my angled Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and I picked up some more concealer. This concealer is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and I just carved the inner half of my lid and crease, not really bringing it all the way to that outer edge, and then also applying that onto my lid to give us a nice even base. And then I'm going into this really small brush with some translucent powder, and we're just packing that translucent powder over top of our lid, and this is just going to ensure that the concealer doesn't mix with the shades that we're going to apply over top, and it also ensures that the concealer does not crease at all. And then I'm going into this Coral Crush shade. It's a light pink color with this flat brush, and I'm just packing this onto the inner half of my lid and kind of feathering it outward. That way it kind of diffuses as it goes towards the center of the lid. And then I'm going to be picking up a different palette. I'm going to be picking up this palette right here. This is by Kaleidos Makeup. I'll leave the name of this palette down below, but I'm picking up that really pretty, it's almost like a copper gold shade. I don't know, it's stunning. I felt like I had to pick it up for this look. So I'm just applying this to the center of my lid and kind of feathering inward and outward to diffuse those edges, but making it most pigmented in the very center. And then I went back into the orange color with my small tapered brush and just diffusing that onto the outer corner. Next, I picked up my NYX glitter glue, and I just applied that to the very center of my lid, and then followed that with my Taffy Eye Candy Cosmetics glitter. And you guys know this is my favorite glitter of all time. And then I just peeled off my tape. For lashes today, I'm applying my Shop Sophie Bella Bora lashes. The link to check out our lashes will always be in the description box down below. And then for the lower lash line, I felt like keeping it very simple. So I just went into our first transition color and just buffed that onto my lower lash line. And then I followed that up with my Mad Lash Mascara by The Balm. And I'm just coating my lower lashes. And then for my inner corner, I just applied my Pop Beauty Gilded Light Highlight. And this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you want to support our channel. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!